In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit questions on Eventbrite. Whether you're hosting a small gathering or a large conference, customizing your order form is essential. It ensures you gather all the information you need from your attendees. Let's start by signing into Eventbrite. Head over to the Eventbrite website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on your event dashboard. This is your control center for managing your events. Next up, select the event you want to edit. If you have multiple events, make sure you choose the correct one. Selecting the wrong event might lead to changes where you least expect them. From there, you'll want to go to the Order options. Under Order options, you'll see the Order form. This is where all the magic happens regarding the questions your attendees will answer. In the Questions section, you will find a list of all the questions currently on your order form. Take a moment to locate the specific question you wish to change. Once you have found it, you will notice a small pencil icon next to the question. This is your Edit button. Click on it to start making changes. Now, with the editing interface open, you can update various elements of the question. You might want to change the question text, update the answer choices, or switch between required and optional settings. Whatever you need, this is where you make those adjustments. Remember, these small tweaks can greatly impact the quality of data you collect. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save. This step ensures that your updates are captured. But wait, you're not done yet. After making changes to individual questions, you must click Save again on the order form page. This final save applies all changes to your event's order form. It's important not to skip this step as it ensures your edits take effect. Now, let's say you need to delete a question. Head back to the Order options and the order form. Once again, find the question you wish to remove. This time, look for the trash can icon next to it. Clicking this icon will prompt a confirmation message. Confirm the deletion to remove the question from your order form. Here's an important note. Editing or deleting questions affects future registrations. If attendees have already answered a question, changing or deleting it might alter how their responses appear in reports. This is crucial to keep in mind if you're actively analyzing registration data. Also, it's worth mentioning that some default Eventbrite questions cannot be removed. For instance, questions such as name and email address are required by the platform. These default questions ensure you have the necessary contact details for your attendees. By understanding these steps, you can effectively manage your Eventbrite questions. This not only helps you collect pertinent information, but also streamlines your event planning process. Remember, clarity and precision in your questions can save you time and enhance your attendees' experience. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the Eventbrite platform. Thank you for watching and happy event planning.